Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So if you want to expand your reach or your audience, you can just add another platform link to your TikTok bio that your followers can click. So here is how you can do it. First, let's just open the TikTok application. And then here you can go straight to your profile, and then to go to your TikTok bio, click on this edit profile options. Now you'll see under the about you section there's this links options. You can just tap on the add, and you'll see five external links that you can add to your TikTok bio. There are Lemonade, website, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. But if you want to add a website, you need to make sure that you already switch your account type into professional, because you can only add a website if you already register your business or and switch your account into professional. You can tap on get started, and here you need to agree in here and tap on get started. You need to fill in this business registration form on TikTok, then you can add your website at the end. And here let's just add another link. You can also add Lemonade. If you already log in, you can just link it to your TikTok account. You can also add your Instagram by clicking on add, and here you just need to grant the access from TikTok to Instagram. You need to log in if you haven't. And here I'm going to just add a link to my YouTube. You can tap on add, and then choose the email account that you use for YouTube, and allows TikTok to have access to your Google account by tapping on continue at the bottom. And here is the clickable link on my TikTok bio. So let's just see how it will look like. You can see this is the link. So when my followers or when the audience see this link, they can click on it, and it will direct them into the link that is added in here. And that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up. You can leave a comment if you still have question. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.